Hey friends, I have got 2 exciting updates to share with you today that I am stoked about, okay? So I'm going to go over high level, then I'll go over what they do, how to set them up, all that fun stuff, okay? So the first one that I'm really excited about, I'm going to go ahead and move this, is the ability to associate the same objects, right? So before, we could only do a parent and child company. Now, we can go ahead and we can actually connect. Let me go ahead and do a refresh here. We can actually associate contacts, right? So where is this helpful for? Well, in education, we see parents and children where we want them associated. We also see this. So let's say we're working within a company and we have different buying committees, right? Like let's say we're selling into multiple different departments at one time or in the overall life cycle or relationship with that company. So we can now associate people who we are selling with together to see those. Similarly, we can associate other objects to one another as well, right? So let's go to this deal. We can actually associate this deal with another deal, right? So that is super exciting. Same thing with companies. And while it's like, you might say, yeah, we've always been able to do that. That is true. However, rather than just parent and child, we can have other types of company associations as well. So this is super exciting. And to get this, all you need to do is go to the product updates. And if you go to the product updates, you're going to see that this is in public beta. And so all you do is click here and then I'm already in the beta, but you'll have a button that says to join. Okay. So then let's go ahead and talk about how we do this. You need to set up and customize your records so that you see it, right? Because you probably don't have a contact card on the side of your contact record. So you need to go in and edit that and add those cards, okay? So that's another thing that we want to think about is making sure that we get those cards in there. So you'll want to do that for all of the objects where you want to put that same object on the right-hand side for association. Now let's take a look at this. New thing, we can also, all of you probably saw this pop up today if you've been in HubSpot, we can also initiate WhatsApp conversations from HubSpot, which means that we can log those automatically to the contact record. So super exciting stuff. Have fun with these new updates. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.